taken?
Thank you very much.
Oh, bicara mengkali
Is that okay?
from which it's a bit of selfish.
Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
మాతృదేవోభవ. అమ్మ దినోత్సవమనగా ఇమ్మానిసి గుర్తు వచ్చుని ఆంధ్రులకు. అమ్మ దినోత్సవమనగా ఇమ్మానిసి గుర్తు వచ్చుని ఆంధ్రులకు. అమ్మా ఇది చాలదే, అమ్మా ఇది చాలదే, ధన్యమైపోయనది జన్మ. అమ్మా ఇది చాలదే, ధన్యమైపోయినది జన్మ. అమ్మ కవియనం ధన్యమైపోయినది జన్మ. అమ్మ కవియనం. As you all know about Mother's Day. In Mother's Day, I used to get so many phone calls from my friends. Why I don't know still now. So many have the mothers. I am not the separate person to have a separate mother. So many have. But I used to start my speech with the prayer of my mother only, without saluting or praising any god, as treating mother as God. That is why I used to receive so many phone calls on Mother's Day. Congratulations or something. That's why I feel that my life is fulfilled with the praise and love of my mother. That's all. Now we are doing very short period of time, that is 40 minutes allotted by Madam.
By the house.
Let us straight away enter into the topic. English poetic expression and Indian perspective. I speak basing on the literature of the great English poet and scholar, a dramatic writer, Shakespeare. As I have visited recently, just yesterday or day before yesterday, his birthplace. I read some books of Shakespeare, especially dramas, and I composed some poems about Shakespeare's poetry and his dialogue writing and his expression of poetic expression and his philosophy and everything. Some 10 to 12 poems I composed in my book Sagar of Osha, The Voice of the Ocean. It was translated into English 2 times as The Voice of the Ocean and The Ocean Blues also. And in Hindi and Kannada also it was translated. In that book, about 25 years back, I wrote some poems on Shakespeare poetry and English expression of poetic way, that's all. And now we can compare with the same thing with the Indian perspective. That is the law. అదిగో జీవిత నాటకమును విషాదాంతముగా చూచు దృఢత్వం అది. అదిగో జీవిత నాటకమును విషాదాంతముగా చూచు దృఢత్వం అది. ఆంగ్ల సాహిత్య యశస్సోక్తము, ఆంగ్ల సాహిత్య యశస్సోక్తము. శ్రీ షేక్స్పియర్ హృదయం బౌనది, శ్రీ షేక్స్పియర్ హృదయం బౌనది. స్వర్ణధారణను ముంచెత్తెంధరామండలంబు, స్వర్ణధారణను ముంచెత్తెంధరామండలంబు. అది ఆవిష్కృతి చేసే మానవ మనోవ్యావృత్త రంగస్థలిన్, అది ఆవిష్కృతి చేసే మానవ మనోవ్యావృత్త రంగస్థలిన్. There is a particular difference between the Indian perspective and Western perspective of literature. In Indian perspective, Indian way of thinking and Indian way of creating literature, we feel Mangaladini, Mangalamadhyani, Mangalakanta, Mangalanta. As we have Mangalagiri here. Mangaladini, Mangalamadhyani, Mangalanta. So a poetry book or a drama or a story should start with an auspicious thing and should end with an auspicious thing. And in the middle also some auspicious situations should be created by the poet. That is Indian perspective. Mangaladini, Mangalamadhyani, Mangalanta. But in Western perspective is quite different from this. They allow the tragedy also into the life. Of course everybody should allow. Everybody in life we have the comedy and tragedy both. But Indian perspective, we allow the tragedy, we bear it in a poetic way or dramatic way or anything. We call it as a rasamaya margam. We take it as rasam, as Srungaram, Karanam, Karuna, Adbhutam, Vibhatsam, like that. But we don't allow it to poetry to end with. It should not be ended with the tragedy. It should be ended with some auspicious thing. That's why in Indian literature, divine gods will enter into the story. Into the human story, gods will enter. They make all the things, they change all the things auspicious. That's why we complete the drama, story or something, Valmiki Ramayana and Vyasa Mahabharata, Bhagavatam, everything created, started and completed like that. But Shakespeare's outlook according to English literature is quite different. He allowed the tragedy into the drama also. Because we have the tragedy in life, we should bear it. That is why I described his poetry. జీవిత నాటకమును విషాదాంతముగా సూచు దృఢత్వమది. To bear the tragedy, we have the courage. We go to the temple and ask the God, let me have only auspicious things. I don't want any inauspicious things. But it's not correct way. We should pray the God, let me have the courage bearing the auspicious and inauspicious things both. That is the way of praying the God. That is the way of praying the God. మనం భగవంతుడిని కష్ట సుఖాలు రెండింటినీ ఎదిరించగల ధైర్యం మనం ప్రార్థించాలి కానీ కేవలం శుభాలయ్యి సుఖాలయ్యి అంటున్నామంటే మనం బలహీనం అవుతున్నాం అని అర్థం. ఆ రకంగా విషాదాన్ని కూడా దృఢంగా తీసుకోవడం అనేది షేక్స్పియర్ లిటరేచర్ ద్వారా మనం నేర్చుకోవాలి. నిజంగా నేను చదివి అనేక నాటకాలు ఆయన రోమియో జూలియట్, ఈ ప్రేమ కథలు, అలాగే టెంపెస్ట్, ఈ ఒథెల్లో, అలాగే 12th నైట్, ఇవి హ్యామ్లెట్, ఇవి చదివి నేర్చుకున్నది ఏమిటంటే చాలా విషాదాన్ని చూపిస్తున్నాడు. ఆయన విషాదంతో ముగిసిపోతాం. సమ్ లైఫ్స్ మే అండ్ లైక్ దేవదాసు పిక్చర్, సమ్ లైఫ్స్ మే వీ హ్యావ్ టు యాక్సెప్ట్. కానీ భారతీయ సాహిత్యంలో దాన్ని ఎలాగోలా శుభంతో ముగించండి అంటారు. మనం పురాణాలు కూడా ముగించేటప్పుడు స్వస్తి ప్రజాభ్య పరిపాలయంతాం న్యాయేణ మార్గేణ మహీం మహీషా అంటారు. స్వస్తి వాక్యంతో ముగించమనంట. ఆ రకమైన డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ అవుట్లుక్ తప్పితే లిటరేచర్ ఇస్ డివైన్ వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెస్టర్న్ ఆర్ ఈస్టర్న్. లైక్ మీ, లిటరేచర్ ఇస్ డివైన్ వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెస్టర్న్ ఆర్ వెస్టర్న్. జీవిత నాటకము విషాదాంతముగా చూచు దృఢత్వం అది ఆంగ్ల సాహితి యశస్సూక్తము. ఆంగ్ల సాహితి యశస్సూక్తము. You may inquire anywhere in world about English literature. They first name the poet of Shakespeare, and then Milton, Shelley, or something, or Keats, or some other. Like we Indian literature, you ask anybody, starts with Kalidasu. That's why Shakespeare is compared to Kalidasu. That is a different topic. That is a talk in a different way about 2 hours about that. It's not the 40 minutes time is enough for to compare the Shakespeare and Kalidasu. Now we talk about Shakespeare. When on English literature, you ask anywhere, go anywhere and ask about, everybody talks about Shakespeare. That's why Angla Sahitya is Suktam. శ్రీ షేక్స్పియర్ హృదయంబు ఉన్నది స్వర్ణధారణము ముంచెత్తంధరామండలంబు. ఇక వాట్ ది హోల్ వరల్డ్, లైక్ గోల్డెన్ లిటరేచర్ అండ్ గోల్డెన్ వర్డ్స్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. దట్ ఈస్ ది గ్రేట్నెస్ ఆఫ్ షేక్స్పియర్. స్వర్ణధారణను ముంచెత్తంధరామండలంబు అది ఆవిష్కృతి చేసే మానవ మనోవ్యావృత్త రంగస్థలిన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ది స్పెషాలిటీ ఆఫ్ షేక్స్పియర్? In creating some characters and analyzing with dialogues and everything. He opened the doors of the closed mind of human body. Closed mind. So many times we don't tell the fact what we think in the mind. We tell something, we think something, we tell something and we do another thing. That's why we have BP, sugar, heart attack and all. There is a coordinates between these two. That is called Hindu philosophy Trikarana Sutti. Mano, Vak, Kaya, Karma. Mano, Vak, Kaya, Karma. We have coordination of these two. Nobody gets sugar or BP or anything. We get these diseases and all because we think something, we tell something, and we do another thing. No combination or no coordination. That's what told by the Shakespeare. Your mind is thinking like this. Why you don't express that thing? Be ready to face anything, whether positive or negative. Be ready to face, but try to express. If you don't express, don't do it. Don't think also. You don't want to express and don't want to do it. It's wrong. You think, then don't think also. Thinking bad and expressing good is nothing but a wrong. That's clear now. We are the best actors than the cinema actors and other actors. And even sorry to tell political actors also. We are the best actors. Human beings are best actors. We don't tell always, any time, we don't tell what we think. We think some bad, but we don't express that. Why? We want to be celebrated in the society. We want to be felt in the society as good person only. That's why we speak always good only, but we think bad. That is against to the Shakespeare literature. Manava Mano Vyavrutta Rangasthali. He opened all the windows and all the curtains of human mind. In Romeo and Juliet or Hamlet or Twelfth Night or Othello or Tempest, anything, he expressed the opinions in a daring and dashing way. This is the character. We accept it all. Then we can compare the Shakespeare with Vyasa Maharshi. In Mahabharatam, Vyasa Maharshi, he created our only character. There are historic characters only, nothing is creation or there. Historic character, but he told the same thing what they feel. That's why we find very good person, we don't find any very good person. Total perfect person is not available in the whole Mahabharata. Everybody has did some mistakes, even Bhishmacharya. Said Dharmaraja, you know already. He is famous for gambling and all. Though he is a good person. But Vyasa told what? So it is personality. Dharmeta adhyeta ameta mokshecha bhartarshava. Yadi rihasti tadanyatra. Yenne hasti na kutrachit. Like that Shakespeare also, he opened all the doors and windows of human mind. That is one more thing. Why Shakespeare has become so famous when so many authors and poets are there in English literature like Wordsworth, Milton, so many. Ever there. But number one is Shakespeare, everybody tells. Why? ఇతివృత్తంబులు పాతమే అయిన తానే రంగు సింగారము జతగావించెను గాని ఇతివృత్తంబులు పాతమే అయిన తానే రంగు సింగారము జతగావించెను గాని ప్రేక్షకుల ఉత్సాహము ఉత్కంఠయున్ మితులందాటెను ప్రేక్షకుల ఉత్సాహము ఉత్కంఠయున్ మితులందాటెను వారి నాటకములను ప్రేమింపలేమన్నచో అతనిన్ వెర్రిగా చూచిరి వారి నాటకములను ప్రేమింపలేనన్నచో అతనిన్ వెర్రిగా చూచిరి అవి సమకాలామోద సమ్మోదములు అవి సమకాలామోద సమ్మోదములు ఇతివృత్తంబులు పాతమే అయిన తారే రంగు సింగారమును జతగావించెను గాని. The story selected by the Shakespeare is old. Everybody knows that. Nothing new in that. But he presented it in a new way. Every creator, every artist, every poet, every orator, every speaker should know this. The story is same thing. Ramayana story, Mahabharata story or something. The story of Jesus Christ or anybody's story is same. But presenting the story in a different way is needed even today. That's why so many poets fail. So many orators fail. They know, they are very scholars, but they don't know how to express the thing. As it is attracted by the audience, they don't know. They just going on telling, everybody leaves the place. That's all. But Shakespeare knows very well how to be attracted by the people. When his drama was played in, Shakespeare Globe Theatre, right? When he was alive, it was built. So, for which poet it happened in India? For which poet it happened in India? It happened in Krishnadevaraya's time. They were celebrated like anything. But is there any theatre for a particular poet or creator of dramas, drama writer, anybody, to play every day his dramas? I never find. If it is there, I am happy. Then when I visited the Shakespeare Globe Theatre, I am very much happy because some poet is celebrated like this. His dramas are being played every day. Daily 3 shows a week. Daily 2-3 shows a week. And people are also gathering like something auspicious thing happened in temple, to gather. Like that they are going. That is the greatness of Shakespeare. Why? Because ఇతివృత్తంబులు పాతవే అయిన తానే రంగు సింగారములు జతగావించెను గాని. He added some flavor to the normal story. And he created some characters. His dialogue writing is separate from all the poets, contemporary or even previous writers. That's why his dramas are very much attractive. That ప్రేక్షకుల ఉత్సాహము ఉత్కంఠయున్ మితులందాటెను. The appreciation from the audience is no limit at all. For that, no limit at all. వితులందాటెను వాని నాటకములను ప్రేమింపలేమన్నచో అతనిన్ వెర్రిగా చూచిరి అవి సమకాలామోద సమ్మోదములు. If anybody criticizes Shakespeare, when that person will be insulted on the roads in those days, that was the Shakespeare's Fans Association. Now you don't appreciate Shakespeare, are you mad? The difference of opinion is always there from the beginning of the creation itself. In the gods also there is difference of opinion. But English people used to how to praise the Shakespeare, anybody criticizes or anything, I don't accept this thing. No, you are very mad. He is a great poet. But that was the stage of Shakespeare. అతనిన్ వెర్రిగా చూచిరి అవి సమకాలామోద సమ్మోదముల్ సమకాలమున గంగు అక్షర కళా సంస్కార మర్మంబులెల్ల మమత్వంబున ఏకమైనవి ఒక హేళం షేక్స్పియర్ రూపమై సమకాలంబున గంగు. సరిపోతే లౌడ్ వాయిస్. Am I allowed? Loud voice. It's okay. Some akala, oh, we recite the Telugu poem like this only, otherwise we cannot sing. సమకాలంబున కలుగు అక్షర కళా సంస్కార మర్మంబులెల్ల మమత్వంబున ఏకమైనవి ఒక హేళన్ షేక్స్పియర్ రూపమై సములేలేరిక ఏ యుగంబునను మధ్యా సములేలేరిక ఏ యుగంబునను మధ్యాయంచు కావ్యంబులందు అమృతోదంచెన లాలసు కావ్యంబులందు అమృతోదంచెన లాలసు చదివి వ్యాఖ్యానింతురు ఆ ప్రజ్ఞలను. There is a saying in Telugu. ఏగతి రచయించిరేని సమకాలము వారను వెచ్చరే కదా. Told by Chamagor Venkatakavi, the famous poet of 3 books, Vijay Vilasam and all. ఏగతి రచయించిరేని సమకాలము వారను వెచ్చరే కదా. That means what? Any great poet he may be, however great poet he may be, he is not appreciated by the contemporary poets. Because of what? Just professional jealousy. Just professional jealousy. That was there. So many Telugu poets are worried about this. Why? I created some very great work. It may be different from Valmiki Ramayana, but people are appreciating. Some other poets are not appreciating. You know the story of Bhavabhuti and Kalidasu. Bhavabhuti always waited for the appreciation of Kalidasu. He wrote Uttar Ramacharitra. Kalidasu wrote Raghuvamshi. After that, Uttar Ramacharitra, he wrote a drama. He was very much worried about the appreciation. He used to send every shloka to the Kalidasu for his appreciation. Some shlokas are appreciated, that was different. But there is a saying, but Shakespeare's goodness and his fortune thing is, how fortunate he is, means he was appreciated by the contemporary poets and drama writers. That is his fortune. సమకాలంబున కలుగు అక్షర కళా సంస్కార మర్మంబులెల్ల మమత్వంబున ఏకమైనవి ఒక హేళన్ షేక్స్పియర్ రూపమై. When an actor or a poet or an artist or anybody, he should be accepted by the people only, not by the leaders or breeders. He should not expect the appreciation of some other sections. Like when we go straight away to the people, when people appreciate us, everybody is in front of us and in back of us also. No problem at all. So poets should attract the people only. Shakespeare tried to attract the people, not the some other politicians or some orators and some other poets like anything. He directly expected the people, and he used to sit in the audience. That was the secret of Shakespeare. I wrote in his life history. I studied in his life history. He used to sit in the audience when his drama is being played. In the same group theatre, he used to sit in the audience. What he expected, you know? Chekkina bomma chekkutayu. When I read the incident in his life history, I wrote this poem. However, how great you are. You know the art. You know, manam Telugulo naadi pattukunnadu. He knows the nadi of audience. He knows the nadi of audience, the mentality of audience. He used to sit in the middle of the audience. చెప్పిన మాట చెక్కిన బొమ్మ చెప్పుటయు చెప్పిన మాటయ చెప్పుచుండుటల్ చిక్కదనము వీడుటయు చేయని సత్కవి. చెక్కిన బొమ్మ చెక్కుటయు చెప్పిన మాటయ చెప్పుచుండుటల్ చిక్కదనము వీడుటయు చేయని సత్కవి. చిక్కదనము వీడుటయు చేయని సత్కవి. వాని ఒక్క సూత్రముందు అక్కట వాని నాటకములన్నిటి తత్వమివక్షలేము. ఒక్క సూత్రముందు అక్కట వాని నాటకములన్నిటి తత్వమివక్షలేము. చేజిక్కని దొంగ ప్రేక్షకుల చిత్తమే వాని విహారమీధియౌ. చేజిక్కని దొంగ ప్రేక్షకుల చిత్తమే వాని విహార వీధియౌ. He used to sit in the audience while his drama is being played. Then simply sitting by an impartial way, he was listening to the comments of the audience. This character is bad, somebody commented. Next play, the character is lost. Next play itself. He immediately goes to his house and no, this character is not, but it's not like with the audience. The dialogue is nonsense, but character is good, but dialogue is not Then he changes the dialogue. Like that, he knows the mind of the audience and went to the audience. That's why he got the victory. Chekkina bomma chekkotayu. Every character is different in Shakespeare's literature. Hamlet, Cleopatra, in Black Lady, Black Lady, a magic lady. Mantradanda parityaga marmamuruna. Black Lady is always, all written ladies are white, This is Black Lady. Black Lady is very famous because of Shakespeare literature in the whole London and Britain country also. So these characters established in the human life, settled in human life, everybody knows about that character. They criticize or praise anything, they know that character. They mention that character. That is the victory. Chekkina bomma chekkutayu. Each and every character is different from the other. Cheppina maataye cheppuchundutal, he never repeats the dialogue. Same villain or same hero appears in some other drama and tell the dialogue in a different way. All the difference, every time different. Variety is the secret of Shakespeare's literature. Some should know, both European and Indian literature people, the poets and art. Everybody should know that variety is needed. For variety only, I am speaking in English. When this video and audio goes to India, they know, even Ganesh speaks English. For variety only. Otherwise, I have to accept. I used to speak in thousands of people. When thousands of audience are there, I used to speak in but 2 hours. Within 30 to 40 minutes, this is the first time I did. But it is the Great Britain's Parliament House. I and my wife are both fortunate to enter here and speak in the occasion before my. That thing has to be captured by every poet and every orator, every artist. People are important, not the leaders or poets or other orators, anybody. People are important. Whatever art we should know, we should directly enter into the people's heart. What we have to do? Chejikanidonga prekshakula chittamevani viharavitiyo. So many dramas are there like Tempest, Othello, everything, Hamlet, everything. But each one is different in philosophical side also. The philosophy also same from drama to drama. A variety always he expected and he played also. That's why Chejikanidonga prekshakula chittamevani viharavitiyo. He used to go through the hearts of the people, and for morning walk and evening also, he used to walk in the hearts of the people only, not on the roads. Not on the roads, that was right. And one more thing, E patranu padikinchina a patrayamanaku manamunaigan pattum. E patranu padikinchina a patrayamanaku manamunaigan pattum. A patrayandu manamana lopamulu papamulunu rupamudalsun. E patranu padikinchina a patrayamanaku manamunaigan pattum. A patrayandu manamana lopamulu rupapamulunu rupamudalsun. His poetry and his dramas are separate from other poets' creations because one character is there, Cleopatra-like, one character is there, Hamlet-like, one character is there, Julius Caesar-like, one character is there, Brutus-like. Everybody is different from the other character. And when people watch this show, some feel that Cleopatra is myself. Oh, that Caesar is myself. That man is myself. That Hamlet, he worries a lot because his mother loves somebody. The king was murdered and his mother loves somebody. What about the worry of children, mental struggle of one son? That was Hamlet. Talli vyamogamu tanayuni manasella tutlu podichedi Hamlet lavyadharu and Russian Bajid. Talli vyamogamu tanayuni manasella tutlu podichedi Hamlet lavyadharu. That everybody should know. When we go to second marriage or something, what about the children? They don't get the second father or second mother. They know the only mother and only father. That is Indian custom. That way we pray to India, we praise India. We should think of children. That to age 10, 12, 20 even. We are going to second marriage, third marriage means what? That is the summary of the Hamlet story. Hamlet worried like anything. So my mother is not my mother now. She is in love with somebody. But where is my mother? That new person cannot be his father. Even with the relative of the king or anything, that is different. He is not his father. He cannot become his father. That's the worry. That worry is expressed by the Shakespeare, by that character in so many windows like. So many windows like. This is the worry. This is the worry. You see. That is for social reformation also it was useful. హేమలెట్ల వ్యధలు ఏ పాత్రను పరికించిన ఆ పాత్రయ మనకు మనమునైగన్ పట్టును ఆ పాత్రయందు మన లోపములు పాపములు రూపము దాల్సము. Even in Mahabharata you see, you study Mahabharata from Sri to Itisri, you study. We find sometimes we find ourselves in Dharmaraj. We find ourselves in Duryodhana. Both happen. Both happen. So morning time we are Dharmaraj, night time we are Duryodhana. Morning time we are hero, full day we are hero, but night we are villains. Both characters are there. While watching the Shakespeare dramas also, people think, oh, I am here, like so. I am here. What for this? We have to reform ourselves. We have to watch inside, not outside. Inside means not shirt or banyan or something, into heart. Into heart. We have to watch the acts of our own mind. All Yoga Vasishta, all Indian philosophy says, Pratyaksham Pratyaveksheta Narascharitram this is told by Vyasabhadra. Pratyakam Pratyaveksheta Narascharitram Atmanaka Kinnu me Pasubhistulyam Kinnu Satpurushairiva. Vyasa told that everybody should watch his mind every time, every minute, whether I am acting as a man or a Pashu like that, acting as a divine or demon like that, acting as a man or a buffalo. Everything, every time we have to examine ourselves inside. Then the new man produces immediately. The new man is produced immediately. From ourselves, from ourselves only. That is the entire purpose of literature, to get a change in the human mind. Politics cannot change, the army cannot change, but a poet can change the whole society if he thinks. That's what done by the Indian poets and Shakespeare. Both perspectives are quite appreciable. But they are different. It's variety but not controversy. Indian perspective and English perspective is both variety but not controversy. Both are correct. That is right. And one more thing. And now I describe the Shakespeare poetry in a different rhythm. There is a fine rhythm in Telugu that is called Makta Kokila. How that rhythm, you know? La 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 వియ్యమందెను వాని గంటము భిన్న మానస వృత్తితో వియ్యమందెను వాని గంటము భిన్న మానస వృత్తితో నియ్యమైనను కయ్యమైనను నిష్ఠతో నడిపించెడిన్ కొయ్య బొమ్మలు కావు పాత్రలు కోమలంగులు చూడగన్ తీయ మాటల చేదు చేష్టల తీర్చెన క్రియ పాత్రలను. This is Makta Kokila. Rasa Jaja Bhara are the Ganas. La 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 వియ్యమందెను వాని గంటము భిన్న మానస వృత్తితో. గంటము means his pen or something what he used. That entered into the hearts of variety of the mind, variety of the human mind. నియ్యమైనను కయ్యమైనను నిష్ఠతో నడిపించడిన్. లెట్ ఇట్ బి ఎనిమీషిప్ ఆర్ ఫ్రెండ్షిప్, ఎనీథింగ్. నిష్ఠతో నడిపించండి. He created all the characters with total nishtha, total attention. Whether it may be Duryodhana's character or Dharmaraja's character or the character of Rama or maybe not. Like Valmiki Vyasa also did the same thing. Nivyamainanu kayyamainanu nishthato nadipinchandu. That's why the characters created by Shakespeare are not the statues like కొయ్యబొమ్మలు కాము పాత్రలు కోమలంగులు చూడగన్. కోమలంగా ఉండేటువంటి మనుషులు ఎలా ఉంటారో షేక్స్పియర్ పాత్రలు అలాగే ఉంటాయి. దానికి ఉదాహరణ ఏమిటి అంటే, మనలో కొంతమంది తీయగా మాట్లాడతారు, పైకి లోపల విషయం ఉంటుంది. క్లియోపాత్ర క్యారెక్టర్ అనేసి అది చూసిన వాడు సరిగ్గా వాళ్ళు అనుకుంటారు ఇది నాదే, లేదా పక్క వాళ్ళేనా అంటారు, అలాగే సంథింగ్. దట్స్ తీయ మాత్రల చేదు చేష్టల తీర్చన క్లియ పాత్రలను. దట్ వాజ్ ది క్రియేషన్ ఆఫ్ షేక్స్పియర్. అండ్ బై బిఫోర్ ఎండింగ్ ఐ టెల్ వన్ మోర్ పోయం. సూర్యుని లేత వెలుగుల ప్రచోదితమై. వాట్ ఈస్ ది సమ్మరీ ఆఫ్ ది షేక్స్పియర్ లిటరేచర్ అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ హిస్ మెసేజ్? సూర్యుని లేత వెలుగుల ప్రచోదితమై ఇరువైపులందు దుర్వార్యములైన దుఃఖ సుఖ భారము తీరములంటి వారు. సూర్యుని లేత వెలుగుల ప్రచోదితమై ఇరువైపులందు దుర్వార్యములైన దుఃఖ సుఖ భారపు తీరములంటి వారు. సౌందర్య రస ప్రవాహము కదా అడుగంటని వానికైత. సూర్యుని లేత వెలుగుల ప్రచోదితమై ఇరువైపులందు దుర్వార్యములైన దుఃఖ సుఖ భారపు తీరములంటి వారు. సౌందర్య రస ప్రవాహము గదా అడుగంట నివానికైత. ఆశ్చర్యకరము మానసిక చర్యల జాతక చర్యయౌనదే. ఆశ్చర్యకరము మానసిక చర్యల జాతక చర్యయౌనదే. ది లిటరేచర్ ఆఫ్ షేక్స్పియర్ ఈజ్ లైక్ ది మార్నింగ్ ఫ్లో ఆఫ్ ఎ రివర్. You observe the river. You go to the river in the morning, it is different. You go at 12 o'clock or 1 p.m., it is different. And evening, it is different. But from in the morning, when sun rises, the flow of the river is encouraged. That's what Shakespeare told. Your life is like the flow of morning river. Suryuni leta velugula prasoditamai. But what is life? It is like river only. When river flows, not just water, some grass also, some clay also. So everything flows. Like in our life, when life is going on, some tragedy, some comedy, some everything comes. Navarasas come. We have to invite, we have to bear the life like the river bears everything what it gets into and flows with that one. సూర్యుని లేత వెలుగుల ప్రచోదితమై ఇరువైపులందు దుర్వార్యములైన దుఃఖ సుఖ భారపు తీరములంటి వారు. దుఃఖ భారము అండ్ సుఖ భారము. దిస్ వీ కాల్ ఇన్ హిందూ ఫిలాసఫీ సుఖ ప్రారబ్ధం, దుఃఖ ప్రారబ్ధం. దుఃఖ ప్రారబ్ధం we not we accept. సుఖ ప్రారబ్ధం is also there. సుఖ ప్రారబ్ధం is also there. We don't want any separate respect or anything, but we get it. That is Sukha Prarabdha. You should feel it as Prarabdha only. Or otherwise, we should feel proud of it. Or we should not feel proud. It's also Prarabdha. As Dukkham, as a tragedy, comedy also Prarabdha only. It's given by God. We have to bear it. That's what told. That's what told in his poetry and other poetries also. Sukha bharamulanti iramulanti varu saundarya rasa pravagamu. Anyway, whether it is tragedy or comedy, it is beautiful only. We express something, when one young person loves some lady, what he tells, terrific beauty. They can't understand how beauty can be terrific. That beauty is beautiful and terrific beauty, what? That is his expression. Like that, life is comedy and tragedy, but it is beautiful. సౌందర్య రసప్రవాహము గదా అడుగంట నివానికైత. ఆశ్చర్యకరము మానసిక చర్యల జాతక చర్యయౌనదే. టు ఫైండ్ ఎవ్రీ హ్యూమన్ పర్సనాలిటీ inside. What am I thinking? What am I speaking? What am I doing? For that, Shakespeare's literature is nothing but a mirror. Thank you very much. Thank you.
please. Thank you, Neeta Wadiki Garu, for helping us organize this event in Parliament. Thank you, Honorable MP Valerie Vas, for giving us this opportunity. We are really grateful for that. Thank you, ma'am. MP Valerie Vas, Carol Marion Vas, is a British Labour politician and former solicitor who has been the Member of Parliament for Walsall and Broxwich. Previously, Walsall South since 2010. She served as Shadow Leader of the House of Commons from 2016 to 2021 in the shadow cabinets of Jeremy Corbyn and Keir Starmer. On behalf of British Indian Telugu Samskriti Sangam, it is our great honor and privilege to welcome you all for today's special event. We extend our warmest welcome to the Honorable Valerie Vas, the Member of Parliament. We would like MP Valerie Vas to say a few words, please.
She will do it like this.
All right, thank you,
And
ma'am.
I do want to say how,
Yes, please.
how wonderful